Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Xbox app on your PC without needing the Microsoft Store. This is super useful if the Microsoft Store isn't working on your computer, or if you just prefer to install it directly. It's a really quick and simple process, so let's jump right in. Check the description of this video. I've left a direct link to the official Xbox app download page there. Go ahead and click on that link now. It will take you to the official Xbox website at xbox.com. This is the safest and most reliable way to download the app directly from Microsoft. Once the page loads, look for the Download the App button and go ahead and press it. This will begin downloading the Xbox app installer to your computer. Once the installer has finished downloading, open it. You'll be presented with the terms and conditions. Go ahead and agree to them, then press Install to begin the installation process. Now just sit back and wait while the Xbox app is installed on your PC. This should only take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance. Make sure not to close the installer while it's running, and that's it. The Xbox app is now installed on your PC without needing the Microsoft Store. Quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows and gaming tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.